15-ton outside diameter broaching machine. The maximum travel is 1800 millimeters outer broaching machine. Tools, molds, clamps, and linear sliding ways and sliding blocks. Processing design. Processing sliding block positioning outside, inner slot and slot wall for one-time broaching. Production rate, 20 seconds per piece. Traditional processing. The CNC milling machine takes much time to change the tools, and it takes 4 minutes to finish one component. Efficiency. One machine can finish with many CNC lathes with 10 times higher production. "15-ton outside diameter broaching machine.